Hello everybody, this is Shraddha from eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. In this video, I'm going to talk about job opportunities with eConstruct, different internship opportunities and courses like training programs, which are also known as on-job training programs. So I'm going to tell you about these three opportunities in this video. The first opportunity is a job. If you are a pass out candidate and if you have some experience like 2 to 6 years or 5 years or whatever experience you have, you can apply for different job opportunities in our company. Different vacancies have been mentioned on our website www.e-construct.in/careers. Please go to the website and apply for different job positions which are available. If you are from outstation, then you can fix up a date for the telephonic interview round, and the second round will be conducted in our office if you are selected in the first round, which is a telephonic interview round. So these are the different opportunities for those who are already passed out, already searching for different positions like trainee engineer for freshers, or even experienced people can apply for different job opportunities in our company. If you have more than 10 years of work experience, then you can apply for associate level positions wherein you would be working on higher level of projects and very good and prestigious projects with us. And you can work on the associate level even as a business partner. So there are different opportunities which are available for people with more than 10 years of work experience. Apart from this, for highly experienced people, we are also providing franchising opportunity. So the franchising details will also be there on the website shortly. You can go through it. You can choose to do internship with us in different departments, like for example BIM department or structures or project management or contracts management. So if you are working with us in the BIM department, which is building information modeling, then you would be working on softwares like Archicad, Google SketchUp, AutoCAD or Navisworks, Solibri or Revit Architecture, Revit Structures or Revit MEP. And then the other department is like structures department. If you work in the structures department, you can do projects on ETAP, SAFE, SAP 2000, CSI Bridge, RCDC, Procon. So these are the different softwares used under structures department. The third department under which you can work is project management. If you work in project management department, you would be on the site. We have different sites running in different parts of India. It can be a government project or a private project or commercial project. You get opportunity to be with our project manager from morning to evening as a part of your internship, wherein you will learn many technical and non-technical things. You would be completely involved in the labor management, material management, vendors management, accounts management, etc. You will be maintaining your timesheets on daily basis and accompanying the project manager from morning to evening till the project completion. So if you are on site, you will definitely learn a lot of things, and this will be a very good opportunity for you to understand many things even before you pass out. The fourth department which I am going to tell you is about contracts management and tendering. There are few students who are not interested to go to site or not interested to work on structures or BIM. So such students who have good communication skills, they can definitely apply for tendering and estimation or contracts management department, wherein they are involved in uploading different government tenders, how to exactly the tender is uploaded, how the documents are to be gathered, how exactly the coordination happens between the tender authorities, and all that they will come to know. Apart from that, you will be involved in contracts management, which is a crucial department in any company. So these are the four major departments under which we are providing internship at the moment, and I can proudly say that last year we selected 100 plus interns from Pan India who are now successfully completed their internship with us, and most of them did not find difficulty in getting themselves placed. The third opportunity which I am going to tell you is the training courses. Now our training courses are not like any other coaching center kind of a training. We are providing you training in live working environment, hence we call it on-job training. So if you want to get yourself trained on any particular department, for example in structures or BIM or contracts management and tendering or project management, then you can join any one of our 4 courses. The first course is Master Study in Structural Engineering. Second one is Master Study in Building Information Modeling. Third one is master study in project management, and fourth one is master study in tendering and contracts management. You can go to www.e-construct.in or www.civilstudio.in. You can go to any one of our website and have a look at all the four courses which are available for you. These courses are not like any other classroom trainings. These are on-job trainings, and this will help you to do lot of live projects over the period of 6 months. You will definitely become experienced. You also get experience letter at the end under each department. If you can invest 1 year of time, then we also have a composite diploma training program under which you would be trained on BIM technology, you will be trained on structures, and you will be trained on project management. Hence, over the period of time, that is 12 months, if you spend with us, you would be able to do more than 70 to 80 live projects, which will get added up to your knowledge, experience, and your resume also. So this will definitely help you to become a real civil engineer, and this will definitely help you to get a core technical job placement anywhere, whether it's in India or abroad. Links are given below the video. Please have a look at the links of different courses. If you want to apply for job, there are different the link is given for job, different links are given for internships or for different courses. eConstruct also conducts some free career counseling sessions, which are like 3 days certification, online certification program, or 7 days of free counseling and certification program for civil engineers. If you keep a watch on our website, or if you subscribe to our YouTube channel called eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited, you will get details about different programs which we launch from time to time. One of such program is happening on 27th of August 2018, which is a free program of 7 days, evening 7 to 9, and definitely it will help you to understand many things. It's like a career counseling for you. It will definitely help you in many ways. So please keep a watch on our website, subscribe to our channel called eConstruct Design and Build Private Limited. So who should join the course? If you are an aspirant of becoming structural design engineer, and if you want some good experience, which is a quality experience in structures, then you should join us, because we will give you opportunity to do a lot of variety of projects and on different structural designing softwares, which will give you a complete working experience for 6 to 7 months, and this will serve as a strong foundation for your career. So anybody who is aspiring to have a rigorous experience in any one of the following field, like BIM or structures or project management or tendering and estimation, then you should join the master study program or the master study course that we are offering, which is a 6 to 7 months of on-job training program. Under this program, we are not only going to train you technically, but we believe that success comes from 4 parameters. One is knowledge, another one is skills. This anyways you will be getting trained during the training, but apart from this also you need the right attitude and certain habits which are required for success. So we are going to have a goal setting for you in the beginning of the course, and at the end we'll see that how much and how well we have achieved the goal. So there is a behavior training also which is included in this master's training program, and you would be trained on technical stuff. You will be trained on technical softwares, as well as your behavior training and goal and life skills will be taken care of. So we make sure that in 6 to 7 months you are at a very different position, wherein you are very confident about what you want to do and you are not dependent on anybody for job. Once you learn the skills, job is not an issue. You are definitely going to get it once you have the right kind of skills. Not only this, if you want to start something freelancing on your own, then after learning these softwares at expert level, you can start something on your own as well. eConstruct also provides free career counseling to you. So you can walk into our office on any of the Saturdays and from morning 11 to afternoon 3 o'clock, and we will provide you free career counseling if you are confused about your career. For example, if you want a job in government, then how exactly you should prepare. If you want a job abroad, especially in Gulf countries, you can definitely meet us and we'll guide you that how exactly you should prepare so that you can achieve your goal. Apart from that, if you want to start your own consultancy, then also we can help you out to open your own consultancy. We'll give you complete complete guidance to change your idea into revenue, and we'll make sure that we do complete hand-holding to you till your dream is achieved. So these are the different career counseling sessions which eConstruct conducts on every Saturday in our Bangalore branch office. So these are the benefits of joining the different courses. If you're interested, please visit our website www.e-construct.in and join us for different courses, and see you soon in Civil Studio. Thank you.